I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. Let me thank all the viewers and subscribers for watching my videos and putting excellent comments. In this video, we are going to analyze a discriminant to solve a quadratic relation. The question here is the function f of x equals to mx squared minus 2mx, m not equal to 0, where m and x belongs to set of real numbers. The line y equals to mx minus 9 meets the graph of f at exactly 1 point. Find the value of m, find the point of tangency, sketch the graph to illustrate your solution above. I'd like you to pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. In case you want to learn from me, feel free to send the email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. Now let's try to understand the question and solve it. Part A of the question is that we're given a function f of x which is equal to mx squared minus 2mx. And we are given a line which is y equals to mx minus 9 meets the graph of f at exactly 1 point. It means if I solve this system of equation, right, then I should get only one solution. So system of equation is mx squared minus 2mx is equal to mx minus 9. Now this is a quadratic equation. Having one solution means that the discriminant should be 0, right? So let's bring all the terms together and then solve it. So we get here mx squared minus 2mx minus mx plus 9 equals to 0. So which gives you mx squared minus 3mx plus 9 equals to 0, right? Now you could find the value of discriminant, which is b squared minus 4ac, and equate that to 0, right? So how does that discriminant work is kind of like this. Any quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0 has a solution which is minus b plus minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So the radical portion, which is b squared minus 4ac square root, if this is equal to 0, right, in that case, this is called the discriminant, right? If it is equal to 0, then we have only one real solution. That means that the straight line which we are talking about in this case will intersect the parabola only at one point. You get the idea, right? So we have a parabola like this, and that straight line intersects at one point, kind of like this. So we have a point of tangency. You get the idea. So that is what we need to figure out. Now at this point, we know that delta, which is equal to b squared minus 4ac, should be equal to 0, right? So let's figure out what is that discriminant, right? So let's find the discriminant now. So here we know that a is equal to m, right? B equals to minus 3m and c is equal to 9, right? So what is b squared minus 4ac equals to? So which is minus 3m whole square minus 4 times a is m and c is 9, correct? So this discriminant is basically equal to 9m squared minus 9 times 4, 36m. You can find that this can be at m equals to either 0 or at m equals to, we'll factor and figure this out, right? Since we have less space here, let me just do this on the left hand side. Okay, So the discriminant, which we want to make 0, we can factor out 9m, and so we get what? We get m minus 4. So therefore, for m equals to 4, we have a point of tangency, right? So find the value of m. We know m should be equal to 4, so that the line y equals to mx plus 9 meets the graph at exactly 1 point, as shown here. Correct? So m has to be 4. Perfect. Now let's see part B of this particular question. Part B is find the point of tangency, right? So we have already found that m is equal to 4. Now point will be what? If m is 4, then let's find the value of y, right? So y equals to 4 times x minus 9, and the function f of x can now be written as 4m square minus 4 times 2, 8m, right? So that becomes the function, right? So to find the point of tangency, we can 8, 8x. M is 4, right? So I have to write x here. So f of x is 4x square minus m is 4, 8x, correct? So that is what it is. So we can again now solve and find the point of intersection, right? So if I equate this, substituting y equals to 4x minus 9 in the equation, so we get what? 4x minus 9 equals to 4x squared minus 8x, which is 4x squared minus 8x minus 4x plus 9 equals to 0. So which is 4x squared minus 12x plus 9 equals to 0, right? Now, you can see that this is 3 squared, this is 2x whole square, 3 times 2. So you could write this as 2x whole square, and this is 2 times, you can see 3 times 2x, right? And that is 3 square equals to 0. That means I could now rewrite this as a perfect square, which is equal to 2x minus 3 whole square, right? Equals to 0. That means 2x equals to 3, or x is equal to 3 by 2. You get the idea. So we get x value as 3 by 2, and if x is 3 by 2, we can find the value of y, which is 4 times 3 by 2 minus 9. Clear? So which is 6 minus 9, or minus 3, and therefore the point is 3 by 2 minus 3. Perfect. So that is how we get the point of tangency in this particular case, right? So we got the point of tangency as x value of 3 by 2 and the y value of minus 3. Is that clear? Very important question. I hope you find it interesting. Well, in case you want to learn from me, feel free to send an email on the address given here. Now let's take the part C, which is sketch the graph to illustrate your solution above, right? So we can sketch the graph. We know that the m value is 4 and the point of tangency P is 3 by 2 minus 3, right? Let me just check. 3 by 2 minus 3, correct? So the function f of x is equal to 4x squared minus 4 times 2, 8, right? 8x. We could factor this. 4x is common, right? So we get x minus 2. So the parabola has two zeros. One is at 0 itself, the other one is at 2, right? In between, we can find the value of f of 1, which will give us the minimum value. So it will be 4 times 1 minus 2, which is equal to minus 4, right? So minus 4 will be at 1. So we have a parabola, which I could sketch now like this, right? And 3 by 2 means 1.5, right? So 1.5, around this place we have a point of tangency. So we can now sketch the graph. So this is the point of tangency, and that becomes the tangent. Is that clear to you, right? So that becomes the line which is y equals to 4x minus 9, right? Obviously, this will go through y-intercept of 9, right? And 4 is going to be the slope of this line. Perfect. So that is how you could actually illustrate what you solve. Now here is a neat diagram for you. So this has been done, right? So this point here is going to be minus 9, the y-intercept. And you see the point of tangency is at 3 by 2 minus 3. Perfect. So that is how we can solve this particular question. Very important question. See, we have two unknowns here, right? M in both the quadratic function and in the line. This is extremely important question for the students taking IB math. I hope you find it interesting and useful. Feel free to write your comment, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Once again, in case you want to learn from me directly, feel free to send an email on the address given. Thank you and all the best.